Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Rika Khairunnisa. I am from 3A, Muhammadiyah Professor Dr.Hamka University Math Education. On this video, I will explain about exponential equation and inequality.
Now I will explain about exponential equations. An exponential equation is an equation whose exponent or base number and exponent contains a variable. There are examples of exponential equation. First, 3 to the 2x minus 3 equals 81 to the x plus 5. There are the exponential equation with exponent contains the variable x. And the second, 2x minus 5 to the x equals 2x minus 5 to the 3x minus 4. And there are exponential equation with base and exponent containing the variable x. So, in the exponential equation, it can be the exponent that contains the variable, or it can be the base and the exponent that contains the variable. In equation, there are two basic principles, namely simple equation and not a simple equation. Simple equation. First, if a to the fx equals 1, then fx equals 0, a more than 0 and a not equals 1. Second, if a to the fx equals a to the b, then fx equals b. A more than 0 and a not equals 1. Third, if a to the fx equals a to the kx, then fx equals kx. A more than 0 and a not equals 1. 4. If a to the fx equals b to the fx, then fx equals 0 and a more than 0 and a not equals 1. 5. If a to the fx equals b to the kx, then log a to the fx equals log b to the kx. There are a b more than 0 and a b not equals 1. 6. If fx to the kx equals 1, there are 3 steps for completion is fx equals 1, fx equals negative 1, and kx equals 0. And 7, if fx to the hx equals kx to the hx, then there are 3 steps for completion is fx equals kx, fx equals negative kx, and hx equals 0. And 8, if fx to the hx equals fx to the kx, then there are 4 steps for completion is kx equals hx, fx equals 1, fx equals negative 1, and fx equals 0. And then, not a simple equation. If p a to the x to the 2 plus k a to the x plus r equals 0, then there are 2 steps. First, suppose with a variable other than the black variant and the factor in the equation. There are an example of the exponential equation. Find a set of solutions to the following problems. 3 to the 3x minus 2 equals 81. The solution: if a to the fx equals a to the b, then fx equals b. The answer are 3 to the 3x minus 2 equals 81. 3 to the 3x minus 2 equals 3 to the 4. 3x minus 2 equals 4. 3x equals 6. X equals 2. So, the set of solution for the exponential equation is x are 2. Now, I will explain about exponential inequality. From the explanation of the exponential equation, the thing that distinguishes the problem of inequality is that the hyphen changes to less than, more than, less than equals to, more than equals to, and not equal to. The form of the inequality or the properties of the exponential inequality can be known as follows. First, if a to the fx more than a to the gx, then first, for a more than 1 equals fx more than gx, or for 0 less than a less than 1 equals fx less than gx. And there are for if a to the fx more than equals to a to the gx, then first, for a more than equals to 1 equals fx more than equals to gx. And there the second, for 0 less than a less than 1 equals fx less than equals to gx. Now, I will explain about an example of exponential inequality. Find the solution to the inequality 2 to the 2x plus 3 more than x to the x minus 5. The solution 2 to the 2x plus 3 more than x to the x minus 5. And there 2 to the 2x plus 3 more than 2 to the 3 to the x minus 5. And 2x plus 3 more than 3x minus 15. 3 plus 15 more than 3x minus 2x. And 18 more than x. So, the set of solution for the exponential inequality is x less than 18.
Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.